VISKOU.
Hi everyone, welcome to VISKOU channel. Today I am going to talk about the back-to-back connection of fingerprint access control terminal. So today the fingerprint access control terminal that I'm using is this one, DS-K1T804AMF. For this fingerprint access control terminal, it can unlock up to 3,000 fingerprint, 3,000 card, and record up to 100,000 event record. So this is the overall connection for the back-to-back configuration of DS-K1T804AMF. So the item that we have to prepare is first is the power supply and the switch, and then two DS-K1T804AMF fingerprint access control terminal. One is at the front, one is at the back, and then the EM lock. So for the connection of two DS-K1T804, first of all we must have the power supply. So for the power supply, it is in order to provide power to both of the 804 access control terminal device. As we can see that there are two DC jack, and then other than that is also the Cat6 cable which provide internet for both access control terminals, so that we can do the configuration setting in the software. Besides that, other than that, for other wiring, we have the VISKOU interface, which one of the 804AMF will act as a VISKOU card reader through the VISKOU wiring, which consists of three wires, which is as we can see here, white, green, and then black. So these three wires consists of W0, W1, and GND. As we can see that it will be labeled. There will be a wiring label on the wire. Other than that is the wiring of one of the main access control terminal to the EM lock. So as we can see that there is also label on the wire. So for the wiring from the 804 access control terminal to the EM lock, it is through the NC and COM of the main 804 access control terminal. And for the NC, it is the white purple, and for the COM, it is the white yellow. The NC will go through the positive terminal of the EM lock, and then the COM wire will go through the 12 volt of the power supply. After that, for the negative part of the EM lock, it will go through the ground of the power supply. Then this is the overall wiring for the back-to-back of the DS-K1T804AMF fingerprint access control terminal. So let us go to the HCAC configuration setting for the setting of this back-to-back configuration.
So first of all, this is the login page for the HCAC web client. So first of all, let us log into the web page. After we have logged in, as we can see that this is the main page of the HCAC web client. So first of all, let us go to the device. So for the bottom part, we can show that for the online device, we can click for the local network. So this is the two devices that I have to add in for the both DS-K1T804AMF. After click the icon and then add to the device list. So we have to enter the password that we have activated these two devices before. So after adding, we have to refresh so that the network status of these two devices will become online. So as we can see that the network status of these two devices is online. So after that, go to the person part. So for the person part, I have already added one of the person. As we can see that this is the person that I have created for his name. And for the credential management part, I have already added in my backup to activate the 804AMF device. So for the my backup, we can add the card through the device by choosing the card reader and select the main of the 804AMF device to read the my fake card. So this is the my fake card that I have been read by the main 804AMF device. So I have also already successfully added the fingerprint through the main AMF device through the fingerprint and card reader. So after we have successfully added, we can press the save. After that, let us go to the access control part. For the access control part, for the manage access level, firstly we have to create one access level. So I name it as VISKOU access. So after that, we have to add in both door of the 804AMF device. So after select it, we have to press this right button so that it goes to the right. So this is the two 804AMF door device that we have selected. So after that, click add button. So that this is the VISKOU access that we have created. After that, we have to go to the assign by access level to assign the access level to the employee. So we have to click the person and add. So we can see that the operation is completed. In order to double check that if the operation is really completed, so we can go to the assign by person here, and then we can select the person, and we can see that this person has been authorized to the VISKOU access. In order to triple check, we can also assign access level, and then click here. We can see that the operation is already completed. So after that, let us go to the manual configuration of the 804AMF device.
So for the next part, let us go for the vegan configuration setting of the 804AMF device for the back-to-back function. First of all, let us go through for the main DS-K1T804AMF device. So long press the OK button. So we have to input the activation password. After that, press OK and OK again to confirm. So we will enter the main page of the device. So after that, select the communication and then the vegan. So for the main DS-K1T804AMF device, for its vegan direction is receive, and for its mode is we can set as vegan 34. After we have set the direction and the mode, after that we press the exit button so that it will automatically save the vegan setting of the main 804AMF device. After that, let us go to the vegan card reader of another DS-K1T804AMF device. So same as the setting for just now, the main 804. Long press the OK and press the activation password. OK, press another OK to double confirm. So go to the communication and then the vegan. For this 804AMF device, which acts as a vegan card reader, its direction is to send the vegan interface to the main 804AMF device, and its mode is also the same, vegan 34, same as the main 804AMF device. So the main is receive and this vegan card reader is send. So press exit and it will automatically save the vegan setting. So this is the vegan configuration setting for these two DS-K1T804AMF device. So after that, let us try the back-to-back connection for these two devices. So first of all, when I unlock the main device through the MyFace card, so it will unlock the EM lock. So for another 804AMF device, when I press the MyFace card, it will also unlock the EM lock. So let us have a try. So first of all, as we can see that the EM lock is unlocked. So next, let us try another 804. So we can see that the EM lock is also unlocked. So this is the overall connection for the DS-K1T804AMF device in back-to-back. Thank you for watching.
VISKOU.